Hello friends, how are you all? Thank you for your support. Today's video is preparing Indian subcontinent recipe called biryani. Here I am using chicken to prepare the biryani. It is chicken biryani, just using the pressure cooker, simple and also easy. This biryani is mixed of rice, spices, herbs and also chicken, mixing everything together and cooking in pressure cooker. So it's a perfect non-sticky biryani, very tasty. Let's check out how to make the biryani. Here I'm using 850 to 900 grams of chicken, fresh chicken. For the marination I'm using curd, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, Garam masala, salt as per the taste, ginger paste, garlic paste. So these are the list of ingredients for the chicken marination. Mix very well. After mixing, we're just gonna use half lemon squeezing to the chicken. Well, again we are mixing it. So this way of marinating the chicken, it's really good for the better taste in the biryani. You can squeeze one lemon or half lemon. Mix again. Let it rest for 30 minutes for the better taste for the biryani. Meanwhile, I have prepared some list of biryani ingredients ready. Let's go for a cooking process. After 13 minutes, this is how it looks like. So here I'm using pressure cooker. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking ghee, a little oil. So allow ghee to melt. Once oil or cooking ghee is hot, you can add clove, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, star anise, green cardamom, 2 medium size of onion sliced. Fry until onion changed its color. Friends, check out the description box for more information about the recipe and also list of ingredients I have used for the biryani to prepare. Once onions are changed its color, it becomes really soft. Then we're gonna add turmeric, chili powder, non-spicy green chili, handful of mint leaf. Mix very well. Well, again it takes 30 seconds to 1 minute or less than a minute. Then 2 medium size of tomato, salt for the tomato to cook fast. Mix very well. Let it cook for another 1 minute in a medium flame. We want tomato to become soft. Then homemade biryani powder. Mix very well. Let this spice powder or biryani powder mix with other ingredients and it becomes like a really very good taste. When you fry these of the ingredients in the oil, it adds more taste for the biryani. So keep stirring it. Do not allow the gravy to burn. Once the biryani gravy is ready, we're gonna add chicken marination. If it is required, you can add little water as well. Mix very well. Since we have already added salt for the chicken marination, well, again to the gravy, so here make sure not to add the salt. Then you can close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes in a medium flame or high flame. We want chicken to be cooked. Then we're gonna add chicken stock, 1 Maggi cube. So this is also one of the additional ingredient to make the biryani more tasty. So I'm adding it. Let it melt. So keep mixing it. It will melt by itself. and also adds more taste for the biryani. So friends, already there is a water in it, so I'm not adding extra water for the biryani preparation. Allow another 1 minute of cooking. In between, give it a stir. Do not allow the chicken gravy to burn. Now I have soaked basmati rice for more than 30 minutes. I'm gonna add salt as per the taste, handful of fresh coriander leaf. So friends, here I have used almost 1.5 cup of rice. The measurement I have used equal to the chicken pieces. So mix very well. There is enough water. Again, I'm not gonna add water for the biryani. I'm looking for a non-sticky biryani, so I'm not adding more water. Since it's a pressure cooker, no need to add more water as well. So close the lid. Let it cook for 1 whistle is enough to get the non-sticky biryani, since rice is already soaked more than 30 minutes. Allow pressure to cool down. Open the lid and check it. The tasty yummy biryani is ready. You will like it for sure. Let's check out today's motivation. A big secret for happiness is staying away from the people who steal your peace of mind. Friends, finally the biryani is really non-sticky and tasty. Do try, you will like it for sure. This is one of my favorite biryani recipe, and also my family likes a lot eating this way of biryani. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.